Who's excited? Today, we're introducing Framework AI. Okay, we're obviously, obviously we are not actually going to do that. I mean, no one in this audience was fooled in the slightest by that joke, unfortunately. Maybe some people online, I don't know. This is WIDSPI's 10G Ethernet expansion card. It fits right into the expansion card ecosystem and brings 10 gigabit networking into your Framework laptop or desktop. This is available in the Framework Marketplace today. Today, we're happy to share the one-piece haptic touchpad module for Framework Laptop 16. This replaces the original three-piece touchpad and spacer layout with a single CNC aluminum part with a haptic touchpad in the middle. We're using 4 piezo haptic elements to deliver consistent haptic feedback across that touchpad surface. And we made a one-piece keyboard to go along with it. We're introducing a translucent smoke gray bezel. This uses a really novel 98% post-consumer recycled polycarbonate, and that is actually the highest recycled content we have in any part of any of our products. We're also introducing a Ryzen AI 5 configuration of Framework Laptop 16 that brings down the price of entry while still keeping that full modularity. The one-piece haptic touchpad and keyboard, along with the Ryzen AI 5 configuration, are available for pre-order today, with shipments starting this June in all 36 countries that we're shipping to. That translucent bezel is available later this summer. We're making all these new parts available in the Framework Marketplace so that any of you who already own a Framework Laptop 16 can pick these up and get access to the great new refinements. We're happy to preview the Oculink dev kit. There are 3 parts to the dev kit. The first is the Oculink adapter board that drops right into the Framework Laptop 16 expansion-based shell and brings that Oculink connection out to a connector at the back of the laptop. What's really special about this is that we're using Oculink 8i. That actually gets us the entire 8-lane interface on the Ryzen AI processor and enables up to 128 gigabits per second of bidirectional throughput. The next part is the graphics module Oculink dock. That lets you take the graphics module from your Framework Laptop 16 and extend it externally to the system. That's a great way to reuse modules after upgrading, or just separate them out from the laptop to make it more portable. The final part is the PCIe Oculink dock. That lets you use standard PCIe cards like desktop graphics cards, 100 gigabit network cards, or video capture cards with your Framework Laptop 16. We designed this system as a kit where we provide you with the core electronics and structure, and you choose what to build around it. We have proof of concept demos of this system here today, and we'll be sharing more about the dev kit as we get closer to shipping later this year. This is actually a live battery life test. This computer's been running in our headquarters nearby for almost 24 hours now, and it is still going. But we're also achieving over 20 hours of Netflix 4K streaming. The Framework Laptop 13 Pro. We actually did call it that. But there are 3 core areas of improvement. First, the battery. This is now 74.45 watt hours. And we've achieved that both by making the battery physically larger and by increasing the energy density to 850 watt hours per liter. We also have a new 100-watt power adapter to support that larger battery. Next, we moved to Intel's latest Core Ultra Series 3 processor platform. We're also using LPCAMM 2. Whoa, OK. This gives you the efficiency of LPDDR5X in a modular form factor. We've got capacities with up to 64 gigabytes. And in today's environment, when memory prices are just crazy high, that means you can pick up just the memory you need today, knowing that you can always upgrade in the future when you need to.
With the launch of the Framework Laptop 13 Pro, powered by our new Core Ultra Series 3, codenamed Panther Lake. Panther Lake brings together incredible power efficiency for long battery life, a 16-core CPU for developers and power users, and a breakthrough new integrated GPU for on-device AI, your data in your hardware.
This is now a fully CNC aluminum chassis. The top cover, input cover, and bottom cover are all machined from extruded blocks of 6063 aluminum, and you feel it immediately. This is more rigid, more refined, and just feels more solid in your hands. We've also introduced this new finish that we're calling graphite. And if you have a Framework Laptop 13 already, we also have all of the new 13 chassis parts available in a silver colorway as well. We designed an entirely custom display. This is a 13.5-inch, 2880 by 1920 panel with a 3:2 aspect ratio that gives you more vertical space for code and productivity. We kept it an LCD. For maximum power efficiency, this has up to 700 nit brightness, 1800 to 1 contrast, and a novel anti-glare matte polarizer that makes it work great in any lighting condition. It has per unit color calibration for accuracy, and it supports variable refresh rate from 30 to 120 hertz. And finally, this is a touchscreen. We also redesigned the touchpad. This is now a piezo-based haptic touchpad using the same technology we just introduced on Framework Laptop 16. We also added something new here that's a lot of fun. We've got keyboards available in different colorways. We now support Dolby Atmos with stereo side-firing speakers. We've got customizable bezel colors, hardware privacy switches, and expansion cards that support Thunderbolt so you can choose your ports. It's still a repairable and upgradable computer, and we still include a screwdriver right in the box. The mainboard is still backwards and forwards compatible with every Framework Laptop 13 that we've shipped. That means you can take the Framework Laptop 13 you already own, going all the way back to that original 11th gen Intel Core, and drop in the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processor. That is a massive leap in performance, all in the laptop that you already own. This is our first computer that is officially Ubuntu certified, and we have configurations with Ubuntu preloaded.
When a device is certified, it's gone through extensive validation testing with our engineering teams, not only to ensure everything fully works, but it's reliable across the Ubuntu release lifecycle. This includes firmware, drivers, networking, graphics, power management, and security. The goal is simple. You install Ubuntu, and everything just works.
In addition to Intel Core Ultra Series 3, we also have versions of Framework Laptop 13 Pro with AMD's Ryzen AI 300 series processors. Pre-orders open today for DIY edition starting at $11.99, with pre-built starting at $14.99. Shipments begin this June. And if you want that Core Ultra X9, for now we have just one limited batch, so you may want to get in early. We've got one other new item today that you can add to your pre-order or pick up in the Framework Marketplace, and that's the Framework Laptop Sleeve in black and space silver. It also works really great with the Framework Laptop 12. Now let's talk about something a little different. Many of you in the audience have one of these because it's convenient, not because we love it. We saw that as an opportunity to build a keyboard that you actually can love.
The Framework Wireless Touchpad Keyboard. To make sure the wireless support is truly excellent, we're using Nordic's newest ultra-low power nRF54 wire system on chip. This gives you fantastic power efficiency and connectivity, whether you're using Bluetooth LE or our prepared USB-A dongle. We even designed a USB-A adapter expansion card. The keyboard has 4 wireless profiles, letting you switch between different hosts. It also functions as a wired USB-C keyboard. The touchpad is a Windows Precision touchpad, delivering accurate tracking and multi-touch gestures on both Windows and Linux. The rechargeable battery is replaceable and will be available on the Framework Marketplace. The keyboard firmware is open source, built on the ZMK firmware. You can remap every single key, create complex macros, and configure custom layers to make the keyboard behave exactly how you want. We're also making the CAD design files available today on our GitHub. The Framework keyboard control board handles the logic for the keyboard. and we are making it available on the Framework Marketplace as a standalone unit, just like our main boards. The Framework Wireless Touchpad Keyboard is shipping later this year.
Thank you all for being here, and we're excited to see what you think of what we've built.